The Australian migration landscape has seen some major changes, and one of the biggest updates is the introduction of the National Innovation Visa. This visa replaces the Global Talent Visa and brings significant changes to Australia's skilled migration pathways. If you are a global talent, an entrepreneur, an innovative investor, or someone with exceptional skills in your field, this could be the perfect visa for you. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about the National Innovation Visa, how it differs from the previous Global Talent Visa, and what the new requirements are. So let's get started. So what is the National Innovation Visa? The National Innovation Visa has officially replaced the Global Talent Visa as part of Australia's migration reform. This visa is designed to attract exceptional talent, innovators, entrepreneurs, and investors who can contribute to Australia's economy and global standing. Previously, the Global Talent Visa was open to applicants from specific sectors who met high talent and salary requirements. However, the new National Innovation Visa is an invitation-only visa, meaning you cannot apply unless you receive an invitation from the Department of Home Affairs. Expressions of interest submitted under this visa will no longer receive negative responses. Instead, EOIs will remain valid for 2 years, giving applicants an extended window to receive an invitation. However, if you are invited, you must act quickly, as invitations will now only be valid for 60 days. So let's look at the key changes from the Global Talent Visa to the National Innovation Visa. So this is the invitation-only process. Under the new system, applicants cannot apply directly for the visa. Instead, they must submit an expression of interest and wait for an invitation. EOIs will stay valid for 2 years, but not all applicants will receive an invitation. They will be processing priorities. So the processing of the National Innovation Visa applications will follow a priority system based on the applicant's field, expertise, and achievement. The highest priority will be given to world-renowned experts, award-winning professionals, PhD holders with exceptional influence, and individuals with significant contributions in their field. Government-nominated individuals will also receive priority consideration. So who is this National Innovation Visa for? The NIV, which is a National Innovation Visa, is specifically targeted towards individuals with exceptional achievements in the following categories. They could be global researchers with a strong publication record, high edge index, and a reputation in their field. They could be entrepreneurs who have demonstrated success in innovation and business growth. They could be innovative investors with a proven track record in high growth industries, or athletes and creatives who can enhance Australia's international reputation in sports, arts, and cultural fields. The Department of Home Affairs has introduced a new processing priority list under Ministerial Direction 112. The priority groups are as follows. So the priority number 1 will be given to world-renowned experts, major award recipients, PhD holders with a strong research profile, patent holders, and speakers at international industry events. Priority 2 will be given to individuals nominated by an Australian Commonwealth, state, or territory government agency. Priority 3 will be given to exceptional and outstanding achievements in critical technologies, health industries, and renewable energy sectors. Priority 4 will be given to high achievers in agriculture, defense, education, fintech, infrastructure, and resource sectors. While the National Innovation Visa is invitation-based, state and territory governments will play a crucial role in nominating candidates. Priority 2 applicants. So those applicants who are nominated by a state or territory government will have a strong chance of receiving an invitation under this visa program. As of now, specific criteria for each state and territory have not been announced, but it is expected that most states will soon outline the requirements for nominations. This means that if you are considering applying for this visa, keeping an eye on state and territory updates will be essential. So one of the first states to provide some clarity on their nomination process is Migration Queensland. Now here's what we know so far. Migration Queensland will release NIV requirements when they are ready. The exact time frame is yet to be determined. Home Affairs will issue invitations based on nominations from an approved Australian Commonwealth, state or territory government agency, which is a priority too. So in Queensland, the nominating agency will be Trade and Investment Queensland and the Queensland Commissioner. To apply, candidates will need to submit supporting documents and attend an interview with the Queensland Commissioner. In addition, Home Affairs may consider other key indicators of exceptional talent and achievement when assessing applications, including athletes and creators who will raise Australia's international standing in their field, evidence of innovative investment activity with a track record of success, entrepreneurs engaged in high-growth industries with proven potential to scale and commercialize their innovations, recognized intellectual property holders such as those with international patents. While Migration Queensland has outlined some preliminary criteria, we are still waiting for more information from other states and territories regarding their nomination processes. The introduction of the National Innovation Visa is a significant change in Australia's migration system, and it provides incredible opportunities for highly skilled professionals, researchers, and entrepreneurs. If you believe that you meet the eligibility requirements for this visa, now is the time to start preparing your expression of interest. As more state and territory governments release their nomination criteria, there will be strong opportunities for applicants who align with their requirements. At Nationwide Migration and Education, we stay up to date with all the latest migration changes and can help you navigate the application process. If you think you could qualify for the National Innovation Visa, please feel free to get in touch with us today. We'll guide you through the eligibility requirements, help you prepare your EOI, and ensure that you have the best chance of securing an invitation. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more migration updates. We'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.